back to another video. It's going to be a quick one today, just showing you guys what I've been up to the past week, doing a couple of bits on the cars, getting them ready for our next track day. So on the S14, we've put new coils in it, made a little dump pipe, you can't quite see that, made a little dump pipe, drops out below the diff, re-get the plugs from 0.8 down to 0.6 because it's running quite high boost. Welded up the handbrake, and yeah, that's about it on the S14. So getting ready for another track day tomorrow, so make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on all that action. Well, they're red, so it's definitely going to make it go faster. And we've also noticed that the handbrake isn't very solid. It's basically just got this one big rubber weld holding it. The bolts are all loose, so we're just going to weld it on there a bit better. So you guys may have seen on the last video a very nice GT86 ripping around the track. This gorgeous thing right here. So the boss has bought another one to add to the collection. He's hooked on drifting. So while the orange S15 down the back there is getting built, he's got this to feed his addiction. So it's a 2013 Toyota GT86. It's been fitted with an LS1 with a T56 gearbox. So pretty stock motor, but power to weight ratio on this beast is pretty good. It's got Wisefab angle kit up in the front, Part Shop Max coilovers all round, Part Shop Max rear end, Rocket Bunny body kit, ridiculously big wing on the back, which looks pretty badass. 6-point cage, digital dash. It's an awesome car. Sounds beautiful. So now we're just going to mock up the front bash bar for the GT86. The bash bar that's on it doesn't have much protection for your oil cooler and radiator at the bottom, so we're going to add another bar down the bottom and 180 it around back into the existing one and stiffen it up a bit. just finished modifying the bash bar on the 86. Get it painted tomorrow and should be ready to rip.
Stinky bananas.